Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is September 11th, 2019, and I wanted to show you what we're getting out of the gardens. Now, these came out of the Hollow Garden. These are our big bell peppers, and this one here, I believe, is an Abjerski pepper. I believe that's what they call it. And here's another pepper over here. They're turning for us, and we're letting them turn because we are in September. So I'll show you some more of the harvest here real quick, so we'll be right back. So these are tomatoes that were just harvested today. Now this bucket here, this is about, I think a 4-gallon bucket, is all full of tomatoes. These came out of the other garden. And here's another bucket over here that came out of the other garden. Now these are falling off, that's why they look like that, and we had to take them off. These are the Big Mama hybrid tomatoes. They're a paste tomato, and you can see. And this bucket here is another 4-gallon bucket. Now these came out of the Hollow Garden here, and I do see a Mr. Strapey in there, and I see the little cherry Roma tomatoes are still giving. And we see a few Mr. Strapeys in there actually, and see some of the, that's either a Mountain Merit or it's a Better Boy. And I got some tomatoes out of the greenhouse today, and I got some cucumbers. Now there's actually some more cucumbers out there. I never seen them. They went down under the fence and they're pretty big, so I'm gonna have to get those out. And the one day I did have about half a bucket full, well it was actually over half, of one of these ice cream pails full of tomatoes from out in the greenhouse. And Mr. Stripey is really starting to come in out in the greenhouse. Nice big beautiful fruits on it, and I'm going to be harvesting those off. I was checking them today. They're not quite ready yet, so I'm really going to keep an eye on them because they can ripen pretty quick. So I just wanted to give you this quick update on what we're harvesting out of the gardens and the greenhouse. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!